guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a very simple eye. I have some products that I will be using as well here, and please, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up, please, and subscribe down below so you'll get notifications when I have new videos up. Okay, so let's get into this video. So I'll quickly glue my brows using my razor blade because it's been a while I've done makeup on myself, and this tutorial is not going to be all that in-depth. So if you want to see a real in-depth tutorial on how to groom your brows, please comment down below and I'll definitely create a video for that. But for the purpose of this video, I just did it short like that, and I'm done. Everything else, and voila, I have a clean brow, guys. So at this point, guys, I'll be using my Estee Lauder face cream to moisturize my face before I go in with my primer, and I'll just be massaging this with my fingers onto my skin everywhere. So guys, for my foundation, I had to mix a couple of foundation shades to get my exact shade. I think I used Mary Kay 507 and Lagirl foundation, and I think Maybelline, 3 of them, to get my exact shade, and I think I did a good job with that. So the way I apply my foundation is in a dabbing motion. Forget the fact that this video is going really fast right now. I like to just press my foundation onto my skin very well. Moving on to concealing my face, I mixed the Zikelcosmetics concealer together with the Lagirl proconcealer to highlight my face. So I'll be putting this all over my T-zone area, under my eye, bridge of my nose, and my forehead area. So immediately after that process, I like to always set my concealer in place first using a pressed powder before I go over to bake with a setting powder. So guys, I'll be using the RLCMA setting powder to further set underneath my eye area, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, just everywhere I initially highlighted previously. And after that, I will be setting the rest of my face with my compact powder. So for my eyes now, I'll be using this Juviasplace eyeshadow palette called Afrique, and I'll be picking up that shade and just be blending it all over, not really all over, say the outer corners of my eye, and I'll be extending it onto my crease area, and I'm doing this in a circular motion. And now I'm going to cut my crease using some concealer. So now I'll be picking up that green shade from the Zikelcosmetics Neon Stark, and I'm using a very small brush to apply this just to get that sharp edge and after that I'll be switching brushes to further apply the green all over my lid area. So I went back with the first color I applied, blending it into the green, and I'm also going to blend the green outwards so there are no harsh lines, so the two colors will blend into each other seamlessly. Hey guys, I'll be using this Super Cosmetics chocolate glitter. I'll be using this first one here and my benign glitter glue. So I'm using the benign glue first of all. I'm applying it on my lid. Then I will use a brush to pick up the glitter and press it onto my lid. And that's it. For my waterline, I'll be using the yangabeauty smooth gel liner in number 2. And now I will be picking up that green shade from the same palette. I will be smudging that under my eyelid. Following that up, I will go back to the Super Cosmetic neon green on my lid. I'll further smudge the same color underneath my eye area. Now to further dust off any fallout from the eyeshadow, I'm just using a brush and small powder. And after this, I will be going in with my mascara. This one is from yangabeauty. It's called the Eye Tension Mascara. It's really good. So off camera, I already went ahead to apply my lashes, my top lashes and my bottom lashes, and now I'm just using my liquid liner to sort of create like a winged or a cat eye look, so my eyes are not covered with the lashes. And now I'm just spraying my face with my favorite setting spray. This one is the Skin Geneva setting spray, and I'm just using my fan to dry that down. And after this, I will be highlighting my face with the yangabeauty Buckish highlighter. This is their Candid Glow. Really good. So I'm starting off with my Cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, and I always blend after each application because you don't want your highlighter to be too harsh, so ensure to blend after each process. And for my lips, I won't be doing anything major. I'm just lining my lips with I think that's my eyebrow pencil. And after this, I will be applying my concealer. This one is the Lagirl proconcealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just applying this on my lip and blending everything together with my hands. And after this, I will be applying a gloss over it so I can look like a fine girl, you know what I mean? And yes, I think that's pretty much it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you do love this video, please give it a thumbs up right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. The subscribe button is just below on the right side of this video. It's a red button called subscribe. When you click on it, you'll be subscribed, and then there's a bell beside it. When you click on that bell, you'll be notified when I have new videos up. Okay, I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.